3Shape TRIOS will be used for art tech.
Hello guys, this is Jeff from 3D BioCAD. Here today, I'm Art Tech Group in Seattle. I just busy here because I did a very interesting job before. Here's my TRIOS 5, and then here's a small horse which I did 3D scan for them. So you can see how amazing masterpiece is done. Okay, for the detail, here we have a Mr. Micheal Moore, founder of Art Tech Groups. Hello, Michael.
Hello, thank you. You know, the scanning work that Jack has done here is, in a way, revolutionized the approach that we take to creating pieces like this. It used to be the old-fashioned way. The designer would give us a drawing, and we would start with a large structure and a big block of foam and carve slowly down until we had the object that we're intending to make, in this case, a horse. But now, with the scanning technology, we can take the model provided by the designer, or perhaps we created ourselves, and thoroughly scan this to 5 microns. It gives us incredible detail, and that's important because when we take something this size and enlarge it to that size, we don't want to lose any detail. And this enables us to work then to the surface in creating supporting structures so there's less volume and less weight inside, and create the surface outside with a high degree of accuracy so we're not throwing away mountains and scrap and wasting time and money. So this is a great advantage for us.
Thank you for that. And then we'll go inside and then take a look more what we have more inside. Amazingly masterpieces are there. Okay, let's take a look.
Another example of the use of 3D BioCAD digital scanning equipment in our projects here is sitting just behind this unit. Let's go have a look at it. This is what we call the attack boots. It's a very scary machine, and it started as a very small model.
I was super happy to be here, and then thank you so much for inviting me here today. It was very fun and then a good experience, and I just surprised how amazing masterpieces are here. So I hope I can do some more project with you guys soon.
Actually, I have a project coming up in just a couple of weeks for Boston Ballet. It's going to require some modeling and some digital scanning.
Okay, then I might need to prepare my TRIOS 5 again.
Very good.
All right, so thank you so much, everyone, and I'll meet you guys with the next project, and then we're going to show you another masterpiece next time, okay? Thank you so much, Michael.
Thank you.